Guys, as you can see, it's a very beautiful morning through the grace of the Lord. Just waking up. As you can see, we are now heading to the site. Want to see how the house is now progressing. Many have been sick, many are in jail, but me here I am, healthy, not sick, at the hospital. Just want to thank God for the grace that He has granted unto me. As you can see, it's a bright morning. Everyone is already awake. People are now going to work. You can even look at the sunrise. There it is. Very bright morning. Need to wake up earlier. Know what to do next. For I've woken up earlier than before just to come to make sure that this house is done and finished. That morning, the sun usually rises from the east, then it comes during midday with a scorching effect, then sets at the west in the evening. And also just take a look how it rises. A very wonderful color. There it is. Let me show you clearly. There you go. As you can see, we are almost there at the site. You can just see the house at a far place, how it's shining. There it is. Just look how gorgeous it looks like. Everything is done. Just expect for putting the ceiling board already there at the site. I think everybody has arrived. Masons are there. Handmen are there. Let me take a tour inside the house to see how it progresses. Yes.
Yeah, I was still editing, of how to upload it. Yes. But now you are in the site already. Yeah,
Yeah, it is. You can take a look at this house inside here. Just look at the floor. They have already put tiles. This is the ladies' bedroom for girls. Look how things are progressing here. Everything is placed. It's on its place. Take a look here. There. Really wonderful. Tiles have been placed here. This is the master bedroom. These are the extra tiles that will be used on the wall. These are also the tiles that will be placed on the floor. There it is. These are the materials that are needed to be used today. This is the living room. Everything is done. They've already placed tiles. Yes. I think today even ceiling board is placed in this master bedroom. Be wonderful. I think in the living room today they'll be putting the ceiling board. Let me take you to kitchen so that you can see how it also progresses. This is the kitchen. Everything is going on very well. You can look at the other bathroom. Everything is going on very well. Yes, up here on outside is where the tank will be placed. This is Brian's room. The board is there. Yes, everything is going on well. Even this other room, slim board has already been placed. Look how gorgeous it looks like. Wonderful. There where the tank will be placed has already been plastered. Yes. Everything is going now very well. Going on very well. These are the tools that will be used. Yes. Let me also show you around outside the mansion. Now take a look at this outside. Take a look at this thing. Hey, you go just like this is the outside toilet. That is the septic tank, and they will be going from there up to the septic tank. Another toilet is here, but this is also a bathroom, outside bathroom. Yes. Look how piping has been done with the plumber. That's where water comes from. Yes. It's already plastered. Take a look at it. Outside here. Everything is done. You can see how things are progressing here. Yes. At the back of the house, everything is going on very well. Yes. Morning. How are you, my friend?
Fine, how are you doing?
I'm also good.
Yeah, can I give myself a shout out maybe?
Yes.
Yeah. Hello family, I go by the name Mike Kizo from Kenya, Africa. And we are here in Brian's construction site. We're trying to help this amazing project to come out very, very good. How was your night, bro?
It was just good.
Mm.
What about you?
Mine was good.
Actually, this is my friend who motivated me to go into YouTube with his friend, his other friend, Ken Chronicles.
Yeah.
His name is Mike Kizo.
Yeah.
I really appreciate
Yeah.
for your support and everything that you've done to me.
Yeah, bro, you keep pushing
Yes.
day by day.
Yes.
Do your videos, post. Then one day, one time,
Yes.
everything is going to be in places.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me take a tour on the other side. This is the at the back of the house. Look how it looks like. This is where the tank will be placed. You can even take a look at it. Right there. Yes, this is where water will be coming from the tank and supplies to the entire house. Up here today, I think they put another ceiling. Yes. People here have already arrived. Yes. As you can see, this is a motorcycle that is used to bring water from water point up to this site. They used to carry this place water. This way water is placed, and those are the tins, jerrycans that are used to place in water, which is used for transportation of water from far places up to here. So the jerrycans, there are a lot. There are other ones here. This is the tank that is used to keep water in this side. Make sure that there is enough water in this side. We'll go and take you. We'll go and take you to the other side. Here we are again. They're just working. This one here is continuing to put tiles on the floor. This one I'm putting ceiling board at the wall. There they are. This is also a kitchen. You can take a look at this. This is another material. This is the material that is used. It's sand that is put on the floor so that the tiles are kept on the floor. This is a box of tiles. There are too many. Some have been kept outside. This is the ceiling board. As you can take a look at it. It's a ceiling board. Yes. These tiles are cut in a manner so that they can fix from that place up to here. I'll take a look at it. Okay, see how this machine makes these tiles to the floor. You have to make sure that the floor is level. motor. Then you also the tiles that are as you can see, progress is still going on here. Here they're plastering at the there you go. Already done their work inside here. Everything is now going on. The mixed, that is the motor, which is used to plaster here. Let me show you around again how the work is going on. Also at the back here we have another tank where you keep water. Let me now take you to where I'm working today. I really woke up early in the morning, really pushed from where we were. Look at this sun that is taken from this borehole up to here. Yesterday we dug 12 feet. Now we have dug from morning till now. We've already dug another 4 feet. I see it's a gentleman there down there digging. He's working very hard. Yes, my work is to pull those maram from the borehole up to outside here. People are really working here. You can see some of them are cleaning, making sure that this compound is clean, free from any germs. This is the septic that removes kitchen waste from the kitchen through this pipe up to this septic. Those stones are placed there, whereby when water falls, it makes sure that water goes into the soil. These are also the blocks that will be used to build up here so that they cover septic to avoid anyone from falling inside. Let me take you to another place. So you can see this man is mixing. What is this? Jeep rock. Yes, you can take a look at it. What is it? Also, let me show you around here. There's another man. He's cutting timber so that he can play outside here. Make sure things are going on well here. Yeah, this is another mason, a big friend of mine. Can you introduce yourself, man?
Well, my name is Dennis. I'm here now. I put the ceiling
And to put
outside ceiling.
ceiling on the outside of the house.
Yeah.
Yes.
So my work is that one and roofing.
Yes. I can see you're doing a good job. Continue keeping up. Someone might bless you with something. You never know. Yes, look how things here are going on. Everything is progressing very well. The house is almost done. Maybe by today we'll be finished with everything. Be done by doing everything. This thing here is used. It's where sand is mixture of sand and cement is placed to make sure that a fine mixture of sand comes out of it, and those big stones and other things are removed. We'll continue showing you around. Show you around. As you can see, there are two men there. Hey, people there.
How are you?
I'm fine.
What are you doing?
What about you?
I'm not doing well.
Why?
I'm having an injury on my foot,
Yeah, I'm sorry.
and I'm not yet. The wound has not yet healed.
You should take a rest, by the way.
Yes. Do you know what we are doing here?
I don't know. I even wanted to ask you.
Just trying to dig a dustbin.
Dustbin.
Like a dustbin.
Oh.
Yes. That's
Where the rubbish will be kept. Yes.
That's what we are doing.
Continue doing what you're doing. I think you're doing a good job. Let me show you around again. Yes. As you can also see, that big metal that was down there was placed on top there, and window panes are placed. It was done yesterday. Everything goes well smoothly. Yes. Actually, everyone is trying to make sure that work goes easily and very fast. No, there is no one who is quarreling. Arriving here, the one, the second, the third one, the fourth one. The other one. Other one is there. It's really arriving. These are the ones that will be kept. These are the ones that will be kept on the floor. As you can take a look at them. There are many. They have really arrived here. Guys, just take a look at them. Yes. They've also bring gypsum. Yes.
I'm trying to put this arm on this jerrycan so that it can be pulled upwards. This is the second day digging this borehole, making sure that we find water which will be used to supply into this house. Pull it upwards. As you can see, yesterday we reached here, which was 12 feet. But now dug up to here, I think it's 15 now. Be careful.
Sir.
Leaning in, be careful to avoid any accident or any injury. At one place so that unpacking it can be easy. You don't need to be careful, man. You can really see the work that we are doing here. I'm not joking, but the work is here. Pull upwards. Pull upwards.
Taonekana.
There you go. Down here you have to be careful.
Kisha karibu.
Sio lazima karibu hata hapo hivi. There you go. Drop it, but be careful. Let me continue doing the work. You can see we are loading this tomorrow. Take it outward. Making sure that there's no sun down here. Faster, faster, faster. No. This is the easiest work that I've ever done. Pull it upwards. Pull it upwards. I'm telling them to pull upwards. Be careful, right? Very fast, fast. Soldier. Mission. Wait. There you go. Pull it upwards again. All you know, you have to persevere. And then the sun gets into your ears, the bucket hits you in the head. That's how it's going to go. Jua ipo hata na irekodi vizuri. Hearing. Guys. Ulizi imefika dakika ngapi? Dakika ngapi? Dakika 3. 3. Mwanzo nazidi uko na record. Upwards. Yesterday we dug up to 12 feet. You know what? Today the thing has reached 15 feet. Anything, ears, eyes, you on the head, love severe. Go. Upwards. Masoja wewe. Zoom kiasi.
Nimezoom ndo at least.
Go, very fast man.
Si wako na ndoa sasa uhamia.
Oh. Upwards. Here you can't use a space. This space is very narrow. It might hurt you. Just you have to use any other means like a small jembe like this one. Put some in this small jerrycan. And use the spoon. Then you build upwards. Like that one.
Yule hana kazi. Uko na kazi?
Tulikuwa huko hivi kwa dustbin.
Bado ndio ambiwa chini ya dustbin. Sasa huko unachibaki.
Itakuwa mbili.
Pandisha.
So kuta ni hivyo jengo. Hapa kazi ipo bado.
La mwisho. Down here you have to be careful. I think we're done here. Next person will come and dig. I also will come and dig.
Sisi umilika mko vizuri lakini sana umilika. Huko nilikuwa na miliki.
Yes.
Hii size mko deep. Jana hata sikumpata.
Oya, Bandi. Nako record nikipanda.
Haya.
Hurricane.
This is the way that I'm coming upwards.
Tuna balada but this.
Hurricane. They call.
Not out of there. This is welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see, there is a small pickup that has come with some of the materials which will be put at the roofing. Yes. Yeah, there are some of them are say here.
Rangi gani?
the pickup it is used to transport those materials that is used in this building very fast from the shop up to here. Yes.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let me show you how you are pulling this moram down there from the borehole up to here. Oops. There you go. And then come pour it outside here. Until all the moram inside there is done. Then that one continue digging. There you go. Pause for this. As you can see, that man is there digging. He's a very hardworking person. He uses all the tools to make sure that he has dug and he has removed all the maram down there up to here. Two of us here outside also helping him to remove that maram down there, coming upwards, then you put it outside here. As you can see here, we tie this rope like this way, this way, and this way. This is because when you're pulling it outside, it does not slide on your hand going backwards or going downwards. This helps. It's like a knot. This thing is like a knot. When you catch here, it sticks on your hand, then you come and catch here, then you come and catch here, while pulling it up. As you can also see, here I am again pulling this jerrycan of sand upwards. Upwards again. Here we are in turn. When someone is done, wait outside there like that. And wait until dig again, the maram come up. Then you pull it apart.
Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for everyone who is subscribing, liking, sharing. Let me now take you around. First, let's start with this outside and modern toilet. Let's see how it's moving on. You can see plastering is already done. They are now at the roofing where they'll be placed iron sheet. They will place iron sheet. This timber is placed here. Iron sheet will be placed also there. This is a mortar that is used to plaster this house. Yes, you can also see there are some men there painting the roof, outside the roof. Let me take you around. Look how they look like, how the outside roofing is done. Yes, this is how it looks like. There it is. This man is painting here, making sure that everything is done and well. Also see how timber are being placed here so that the outside tiles are fixed very well. From there, I think they will put here a gutter where water will be flowing into the tank. Yes. Also, let me show you other materials like PVC, polyvinyl chlorethane, which are placed outside on the outside roofing. Yes, let me now show you around. I'll take you inside the house. You can also take a look, see how tiles are being painted inside there. Some of the tiles are placed here so that they become smooth for it to stick maybe on the wall. Yes. Also take a look how ceiling board is being placed. After everything is done, you can see some of the things that is going on here. How things are going on here. This is the kitchen. You can see how it's progressing now. There you go. Oh, Ibrahim. Everything is now progressing. Let me take you to the rest of the rooms so that you see how progress is going on. Progress of this house is going on. How blessed this house. I think this is the third room. The tiles are being placed. Here on the other room, also the ceiling board is placed. Everything is done. Let me show you around. There you go. You can see how this one works. There you go. These are the tools used. Nothing there. It's just like this one. We can fix it on there. How tiles is being placed. How ceiling board is placed. Yes. Let me take you into the living room. You also see how ceiling board is also placed in the living room. Excuse me. First, place these timbers in block. Take measurements. See how those small and tiny those parts are used for measurements. These timbers are placed there first, then they come and fix there. Everything I think is almost done in this house. People here are really working hard. As for me, I'm also working at the borehole there. I'm also working at the borehole. There you go. Huh?
It's a dry tiles.
Yes.
So if you put it inside of the water,
Yes.
I mean, it's helpful to catch very good in the water.
So it means they are dry, but when you put it in the water,
Yes, this tile is a dry tile.
dry one.
So when I'm soaked inside of the water,
Yes.
it's helpful. Adhesive that I'm using, I mean cement, when applied to this place,
Yes.
it helps to catch very good in the water.
To stick on the wall very well.
Yes. For instance,
Yes.
when I'm putting this one,
Yes.
this is called the adhesive. When I put for this place,
Yes.
you see it's not dry now. See?
Yes.
So when I'm putting the tiles, that is not soaked in the water.
Yes.
I mean, this adhesive, it can dry when you put like that. For a few minutes, when you put this adhesive, it's going to be dry. Now. So when they soak in the water, it's waiting before fixing the water. So that is the reason.
Let me now take you to the borehole to see how my work is progressing and is going on. Let me take you there so that you can see. This is one of people whom we are helping each other to dig this wall. One is inside. I am also part of this job, and he's also a part of this job. We are digging this borehole, removing all the mara or sand from down there up to here. There it is. You can even take a look, see how far we dug. almost 20 feet, but I think it's 19.5 feet. It's almost lunchtime. We are about to go and take our meals. Yes, it's already lunchtime. People are there serving. Let me go now and take my plate so that I can go and serve. First, let me go and wash my hands. There is the water. Yes. You can even see most of them have lined up so that they can take their food. Yes, here we are. How they're serving.
Ana tochi na wapi umeweka flash?
These are the chief chef who have cooked this food. It's a kale, ugali, and meat.
Kweli mama, hata kama kweli mama. Ukiwekewa hata kidogo.
Wewe kuja sogea mbele.
People love food.
Alikuwa ananipinga ya rat time.
Sing inakuona tu, haina shida.
Daga.
Oh, daga plain.
Hiyo ni juice.
Here you go. This is my food that I've taken. Let me go sit somewhere cool and have a meal. Take my lunch. Yes. Okay, let me now sit down, enjoy my meal. Yes. There you go. This is how you eat this African food. Tasty. Very delicious. Those people must have graduated. They know how to cook. Hello guys, welcome back. As you can see, we are back here again in this borehole. Here we are digging. You can see that I have my tools here, a hoe and another tool. This place are dug here so that you see your leg, and to climb upwards. So it's my turn. Alright, to continue digging. As you can see, I'm here standing ready. Down here in the hole, you can take a look at the walls in this borehole. You can even look how far it is from here up to there. Those are men that are lowering that jerrycan coming upwards. There they are. See how this jerrycan is being lowered. This is where this moram will be kept here. It's taken like this. Take a jembe this way, then you put it there. This way, then you put it there. This way, then you put it there. There you go.
Look. In a record.
There you go, guys.
and I'm here to show you on how things are doing at the construction site. There are some exterior things that are continuing going, like the digging of the borehole where we expect to be draining the water from the borehole. Yeah, I can show you over down there. You see? Yeah, guys. So that is the guy that is also responsible for the digging of the hole. You can see, guys. Wow. In cover 15 feet. 18. Yeah, so guys, this is something that they started doing yesterday, and now they are hiding one.
It's very deep. Woo!
See, brush it.
Very deep. Okay, we start with
So guys, you can see it's over there. He's trying to dig out. Yeah, and there is Bentani. The one is responsible for all this. They started yesterday, and you can see by day 2 they are at almost 20 feet. It's so amazing, guys. 20 feet in 2 days. So hard, but very.
Huyu jamaa ndo anangoja kwa hapo. Na walichukua sasa chimba kapi ya tano. Shida hizo kufiki 18. Mata na hapo bro.
Oh. Okay guys, you can see how I'm doing. Thank you guys, like my video, share, subscribe, and leave a sweet comment there. Thank you.
Okay, let me show you how the living is. So this ceiling, board, they're not down. By the end of the day, they'll be down, putting ceiling board inside this living room. You can also see there's some electrician outside, electric wire putting there. There they are. Let's take a look at it. Electric wire. So take a look at this kitchen. So it's progressing. Yeah, welcome. This man. How are you? I'm fine. This is where the switch will be placed. Yes. Hey, you've already placed here on the ceiling board. It's already done. Hey, our work is going very fast. Ceiling board is already placed. Ceiling board is placed everywhere now in this house. And here, this room they have already done pressing tiles on the floor and ceiling board. This year they are done with pressing ceiling board and they are about to be done pressing tiles on the floor. See, this person here is pressing, taking his measurements. See how he could place tiles on the floor. Let me show you around again. As you can see, even solar have arrived. Wiring will be done today. As you can see there, those men are installing that solar in the roof. There are two of them there. One is installing and one is catching a lot of volume. It's a very nice job. Yes. installing the solar panel on the roof. Guys, welcome back. As you can see, we have reached the end of the work for today, but it's raining, so you have to wait for the rain to come to an end so that you can go home. But I want to thank you for your consistency, coming into my channel, subscribing, liking, sharing, viewing my videos, and commenting down there. I really want to appreciate for everyone who supports me, encourage me, and make me to move on. Thank you guys.